Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. Yeah.
Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. I'm going to do a little experiment today. I ordered these cute little leaves. They're dyed, I think they're flower petals, but everything's all the exact same color. So I'm going to do a little experiment today, and I'm going to use some acrylic colors to kind of mix it up a little bit and see if the petals will take it, so I can use it to make some cute little keychains in different colors. This is an experiment, so I figured I'd try with a keychain before trying a necklace to see if this is going to be a success. So to start with, I've picked out cute little three little petals here. I think they're petals. And I'm going to, these are just acrylic painter markers. And I just want it so it's not everything I make out of this, because there's a lot there. I can make a lot with it, but I don't want everything to be exactly the same. So I'm just going to apparently put some blue on this one. The lid does not look like it's correct. Well, that's interesting. Wasn't expecting that, but that's okay. And third one. So I'm just trying to get some so that there'll be some different colors showing up. I'm just going to put these aside. That's not the color I was anticipating to come out of that marker, because it looks dark green to me. Okay, let's try a different set. So they come very cost effective, like you get so many and you only need a few in each design. Let's try this. One thing I have learned, that when you're putting it into resin, you need to cut the stem off as close as you can to the base, or else it always seems to stick out, or at least it does for me. It may be different for you. So let's try this one too. And I'm going to try, let's try some yellow. Make that yellow pop off the top. It's so far it seems to be working. I don't know if it's going to work in the UV resin, but we'll find out here shortly. There's 2 and 3, because I'm going to use these if they're flowers or if they're petals of leaves. I'm going to be using them as leaves today. So I'm going to be using this cute little square, perfect size for a keychain. And I found these adorable little stickers, and they are stickers, but they look like flowers. And usually I use flowers, but I like to mix it up a little bit, and not everyone has access to flowers all the time. And that's like the perfect size. So to start with, of course, I'm going to get my gloves on. And then I will be right back. One moment. And we're back. Okay, I've got my Let's Resin, UV resin we're going to start. We're going to do a thin layer on a couple of these to start with. And I did add a little bit of orange to one of them just to give it a shot. Let's see if any of these colors last, if they mix. Because if it takes the acrylic paint, then the options are limitless. Because really, I can make them into flower petals for different colors. It's kind of exciting, actually. when I ordered it, I didn't realize I was getting that many, all of the same color. So of course I'm doing my little layer of clear to start with, like I always do. I do this to make sure I have a nice smooth, and I'm using the long neck lighter to pop all those little bubbles. And I'm not going to do a full cure, I'm just doing enough to make sure I have a nice finish on the top, even for a keychain. If you're going to do something, do it right. Okay, so I'm just, this is UV resin. I do spot a little dust mark in there, so I'm taking it out. Okay, so, and I see another bubble, so I'm just going to pop that real quick. And it's being stubborn, and there we go. Okay, so I'm going to put that in really quick and just put it in. I'm using my Let's Resin UV lamp. There's lots of different ones on Amazon or Temu, or this is actually the second one I've had. The first one, they only last so long, to be honest with you. Once it starts taking way longer to complete, and you're using the same resin, and it's not really old resin, and it's just taking longer for everything to cure, then maybe it's time to look into a new lamp. You can get them, this one's I quite like, but you can get them from Temu for, and really it's from $10-ish up to, you go to Amazon, you go to the professional UV lamps, the sky's the limit. But you decide what makes most sense for you. Okay, so got that one. So I'll have my nice finish. Now I'm going to put just a little bit in. Doesn't have to be deep because we're just working on stickers here today. Okay, so now I'm going to put the flowers in. These are stickers, but they're amazing stickers. I will always tell you what I'm using. I'm not going to pretend I have flowers if I'm using stickers, because what's the point of that? So just putting it where I want it, just like this. And I'm going to do this pretty one, the two little flowers under there. We're trying to get it in the spot that we want it, and push hard enough to make sure there's no bubbles underneath. And it's even a good idea to, let's just put a little bit of resin on top to make sure it's all covered. I'm not saying that this is the only way to do this. I'm just saying this is what works for me. So hey. And I think since it's a keychain, I'm going to put a little bit of white sparkle in it. Just a tiny little bit around the outside. And you can see it just popping all over the place, just to make it a little fun. Ooh, there's a lot there, but you can swirl it around until it's cured. It's up to you. What you can set it up as best as you like. Sometimes they have minds of their own. They do. Okay, so I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to do another quick little cure. So just half a second. The next step is going to be, oops, the leaves. We'll see if the acrylic paint sticks, disappears. We'll see. I hope it sticks. I hope it stays, because then I won't be just stuck with all the colors that it came with. Like, it's a nice color, but just putting a little color on it's amazing how they've actually just changed. Just putting a little yellow on that. It doesn't even look like it's the same leaf. That's fun. I like having options. I don't want everything to look the same. And I'm sure you're... Okay, so we got that. So now another thin little layer. And the layer I just did is not cured. It is a little cured, not fully cured. So don't be pushing down on it or anything. I mean, you could do a full cure at that stage. That's entirely up to you. That's not a problem. I just didn't do it just for time. Okay, now let's try this out. So I want them just to stick out from behind the flowers. And really, with something like this, you could probably do a lot more. I only made the 3. So for this one, it's getting these 2, they're getting the 3. There, how about I do it like that? And I'm back to my odds, I know. I find that if you put things in like this, the eye usually finds it more pleasing if you put them in an odd number. I learned that when I was taking some stuff for painting. And let's put this one, whoops, it's upside down. Let's put it where I want it. Making sure everything is all covered up. Okay, and time to cure. And I'm going to do a little bit longer, so I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to do the final layer on the back now, give it a good cure, and then this one's going to be done. So in my last one of my other videos, I was trying out some new colored UV resin diamond glitter, and I'm still testing them out to see what I think of them. I've only used them once. This is going to be my second shot at it, so I thought I'd just give it we've got deep green, snow white, and I don't know what that says. Annie Green. I don't know what that means. Maybe Anna Green Gables. I don't know. You can tell I'm Canadian. But hey, that's what I am. Okay, so let's give this a shot. I just want to let's get this going. And let's put it over here too. It's actually, maybe because it's new, but it's a little hard to get it out. But hey, it's working. That's all I care about right now, is that it's working. Okay, so I want to just swirl it around in here. It's actually a pretty color. Not minding that color at all. Whoops, don't take the lid off. Let's just take the nozzle. Open up the nozzle. Okay, I think that should be, because I'm just doing a little bit of all 3. Just going to swirl it around a little bit. I'm going to take my little sorting and just swirl a little bit. And swirl on this one. Okay. Oop, gotta put the there. And of course, I'm gonna do one last Okay, it's ready to be cured now. I'm going to do double curing. 2 minutes on this side, flip it over, do 2 minutes on the other side, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back from curing. Looks like it's all cured well. So let's have a look at how these turn out. Let's see if that acrylic paint stayed, the paint marker. Okay. You can actually still see the leaves, and they are okay. So you can see on here that the leaves, they're a little, the color is still there. They are a little bit behind some of the sparkles, but for a sticker, that flower actually looks really nice. I like that. And this did cure very well for a tester kind of resin. And I actually had a question from someone who watched one of my videos, and they wanted to know why I work upside down. Well, the reason I do is because a lot of the molds, like this one, they have such a nice, if you work upside down, then your top has a nice edge to it. And you could see it's just perfect. So I'm going to have to do a little cleaning up on the back. That's not a problem. But this one will be ready to go. And then I've got this one also. And you can see the leaves better in this one. I'm still, for stickers that I got off of Temu, these are amazing looking. I'm loving these. I'm still going to use my flowers. I've actually started a new project for drying flowers, so I'm going to be trying that out soon. But they don't look like stickers. They really don't. But I'm going to finish up these keychains, and we'll get back, show you as the final product at the end. Thank you so much. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, always feel free to let me know. And thank you for showing up and seeing what I'm creating today with Timberwolf Treasures. Bye-bye.
We want to thank you for watching today. Yeah, you took some time to swing our way. Thank you from Timberwolf Treasures.